Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows edition and build so you pick the correct installer. Once done, make sure you're signed in as an administrator and have at least 100 MB free. Next, choose the source: Microsoft Store for automatic updates, Windows features for built-in activation, or a standalone installer if you need a specific legacy version. I'll guide you through each path step by step so you don't pick the wrong file or miss a required permission. If you chose the Microsoft Store route, open the store, search for Windows Media Player, and press Install. This keeps it updated automatically. Alternatively, using Windows features works for built-in additions. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then turn Windows features on or off and enable Media Player. For a standalone installer, right-click the file, run as administrator, follow the prompts, and reboot when it asks. Make sure to install matching 32-bit or 64-bit builds to avoid compatibility issues. After installation, launch Windows Media Player from the Start menu and set it as your default for audio or video if desired. If files won't play, install a reputable codec pack or use built-in HEVC extensions as needed. Codecs fix unsupported formats. Once everything seems set, test different file types. If you hit errors or crashes, run an administrative PowerShell or command prompt and execute sfc/scano to repair system files. That single step resolves many installation and playback failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.